Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to continue with our series, just like I told you last time. This is your girl Andra Vivian Samson. Today, particularly, we shall be looking at Google accounts and YouTube accounts. Now, to start with, let's open our browser. I'm using Chrome. Let me open Chrome and we'll see how we can sign in to our Google account or not that way. Okay, there we go. All right, this is the Chrome and I need to get into the email. Oh, let me take it to where I can see everything. All right, better that way. We have the Gmail here. Let me open it. So we have create account. Now, this option is for somebody who wants to create an account or who doesn't have an account. You can create an account by clicking here and then you follow the procedures by filling in your personal information. For the people who have an account like you can just write in the account. I have Andra Vivian Samson at gmail.com. We shall go next. I need to put my password. It is to enable security so that they can know it is really me. Sorry about that, it happens. No worries. At times you can try entering with the right password. It is going to refuse several times, you see. Mine has been refusing, but finally I got there. So this account, this Google account or this email account was created on a different phone. So I'm just trying to sign in here. I need to confirm that it is really me. So I'm waiting for them to send me a notification on my phone. It's not coming. All right. I already have a notification and there we go. All right. So we continue. So what we want right now is to get the email, the interface of my email or my Gmail. All right. This is what is important to me. We go to the Gmail. So it's opening. Let's wait for it. All right. Now you can see it has opened. All these ones are the messages I have ever received on my email. And then we have this customize your inboxes. This is, we know what an inbox is. It's a message that comes in. So you can see from here, you can, now if you want to write an email, you want to send an email to somebody, you're going to come here to compose the email and you can save it as a draft, and then the sent emails are going to be stored here. If you had ever sent an email somewhere, you can come there, then you open. So you can see I have these emails which have been sent to different people and it is stored here. I've not deleted them, they're always there. And then the draft emails, those ones are the ones that you've written and you've not sent them, but you have decided to just save them onto your email. So these ones, of course, they're the inboxes. So let's say we want to compose an email or send it to somebody. So you will find this, okay? To and subject. Now, when we talk about this, the to and the subject, we ask simply talking about the the person to whom you're sending, and then you have the subject. What do you want to write about? Let's say I want to send an email to somebody who has an email account of this Vivian Samson 356. Okay, and then I want to write the subject. Maybe I'm requesting for something. I'm requesting requisition. Okay, so this is the person to whom I'm sending, and this is the subject, what I'm going to address in the body of the email. So from here you can write. You can now write your email. You can come and then you write the body. What do you want to send about it? And then you're going to type everything that you want to send to the person whom you are addressing there. All right. And then we have this option of send. Okay. You can just send from here. And our message is going to Vivian Samson 356 at Gmail. So that is what always happens with our email account. And then we can go let's go to our YouTube. Now for the YouTube, I'm going to use the same browsing interface, which is Chrome's. Now YouTube is just an app where we can share videos like the way I am doing right now. I'm sharing a video, you're going to view my video, and then that's a way of also communicating. You can comment on it, and a lot of things can happen. All right. So here we have the Google, the YouTube interface. Now, for those ones who don't really have an account yet, if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create an account by signing in using your Google account, the email that we have created earlier on. You can use that, and then you sign in into your account. Now, after signing into your account, that is where you are able to upload videos. After uploading videos, and when you're uploading videos, you can add titles and descriptions to your videos so that it can be interesting. Now, when you add titles to your videos, it makes it very easy for somebody to look for your videos. There are a lot of people who are posting videos on YouTube. So particularly if you load yours, it is going to be very easy for you to manage it. You can customize your video for optimal performance. So this is briefly the tips for today. Thank you so much. I hope you find these tips so helpful for your video, and I hope that we shall continue liking. You will continue liking my videos, share it, and also comment. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.